Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave this channel. Today's video is just a wash day video. I haven't washed my hair in like a month. I haven't touched it. In fact, the way this is how it has been under my wigs for like a month, and I haven't taken care of it. I actually feel so bad. Like today is finally wash day, and I'm just going to take you guys through what I do when I haven't like shown my hair any love in a while. And if you have really dry hair like me, you know that not showing your hair love in a while is a problem. Anyhow, I'm just going to take you guys through what I do on a day like this when I haven't touched my hair in a long time. And so because my hair is so dry, I don't want to just start loosening it because it will get tangled up and break and all of it. It's probably already breaking anyway, but I always, and I don't know if this is even right, but I always first put in some leave-in conditioner. This is Cantu leave-in conditioning cream. So I always first put in some leave-in conditioner just to soften it up so that I can lose it easily. I don't use a lot, even though like I'm a product junkie. So usually I just let that sit in for like 2 minutes just to ensure the hair is like softer than before, and then I start to loosen my hair. So as a rule, I try not to detangle or do any of those things to my hair when it's not wet, because it just like, it's very painful first of all, and then it's because my hair is dry, it breaks a lot. So I would just like wash my hair now and then detangle after. So if I hadn't left my hair this long without washing, I would just wash it with this complete conditioning co-wash from Cantu. Because my hair is dry, I feel like I've said my hair is dry like 1 million times in this video, but because my hair is dry, I try not to strip it of the oils too often, and that's what shampoo does, sort of. So I just use this co-wash, which is like a conditioner that cleans, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but I haven't washed my hair in a while, so I'll be using actual shampoo this time. I'll be using this Cantu shea butter for natural hair yada 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 shampoo with the conditioner, of course. So I'm going to wash my hair now, and I'm going to condition it after, and then I'll show you guys what I do next. So I'm done washing my hair, and what I'll usually do next is to apply deep conditioner. This is Cantu's deep conditioner, deep treatment max. This thing really makes my hair soft. I'm supposed to put it on for just like 30 minutes, but I usually leave it for longer. I usually leave it on for like hours, because I don't know, I just feel like my hair needs more of it. Anyway, I usually leave it on for like 2-3 hours. If I'm doing it in the night, I leave it on overnight and then continue with what I want to do to my hair the next morning. So I'm just going to put this on now and cover my hair with a plastic bag. So that's it. I just look around again to see if there's any spots I missed, and I just like ensure that my whole hair is covered in it basically. Sorry, I keep looking at this place because my mirror is there. So so I'm done, and I'm just going to cover it with a plastic bag to give it some heat, I guess. I'm using my favorite Ebano supermarket. And I'll give it a little knot at the back to keep it in place. So once this is done, I'm just going to rinse it off and twist my hair into like a protective manner. So I wore my shower cap on it because I just wanted like the extra heat. So it's like an hour now, so I'm just going to wash this off. So I rinsed out the deep conditioner, and now I'm just going to twist my hair. For the twist, I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner that I used at the beginning when I wanted to loosen my hair, and I'm going to also be using coconut oil to lock in the moisture. I usually do the twist while my hair is still wet, so I'm just going to start now. So I apply some leave-in conditioner, and then I add some coconut oil. So this is basically what I'm going to do throughout my hair. So that's it, I'm done twisting my hair. I'm just going to put on my bonnet back till I'm ready to maybe weave it so I can wear a wig or just style it any way I want to if I'm leaving the house. So that's what I do to my hair on wash day. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and look out for more videos. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.